Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit and change player roles in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactics, how you can manage the clubs, whole clubs, like a players, like his motivation or the finance itself. So let's get started by tap this a club logo. As you can see, I'm managing Manchester United in this game. Let's tap this tactics, the third option. So you can change the player role by tap one of the player. For example, Casemiro, this one. He is a defensive midfielder by default. So you can change it. You can tap this. So this is the tactical role, the player role. You can go with recommended role by player. Maybe you wanna like not classic defensive midfielder, or you wanna ball winning midfielder here. So you can learn about what is ball winning midfielder, or you can become anchor here that sit in the hole between defense and midfield. Let's get back. Or you can go with Sancho here. You can change his role. Maybe you want to change to become inside forward to help the forward here. As you can see, it will change, or make it wide, a support player here. And also this Højlund. You can change the Højlund role here. So maybe you want to change target forward, advance forward, pressing forward. You can change the role one by one. So it's very fun to learn about the roles. So the output will be different. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. Enjoy the game.